Can Make a Difference campaign presents the biggest and first ever longest motivation talk in Zambia. Yes, Marvin Zimbwa, a profound motivational speaker, will attempt to speak for 12 hours, setting a record for the longest talk in Zambia. This is to raise approximately 308 million kwacha for Luminary Foundation Orphanage School in Kabanana. Help them build classrooms, ablution block, purchase desks, and many more. Date 29th April 2010. Venue Fairview Hotel. Time from 8 hours. Theme: it is possible. For more details on how you can be part of this great motivation talk, get in touch on 0967-811-811 or visit the website www.marvinzimba.com. Remember, we can make a difference for this generation and the generation to come. See you there.